Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another cool solution from my good friends at Suttle-Straus in Waunakee, Wisconsin. They sent me a batch of really fun things, and so I've been kind of waiting on this one. I think you're really going to like it. This is a folded self-mailer solution for client Epic Specialty Benefits. This was actually sent as a greeting around the holidays, but I think you're going to find this is definitely not a holiday solution. This is a year-round solution. This was, here's the mailing panel here. This is 5x5 proportion, and I think you could completely change this into a rectangular proportion for more economical mailing, but I think for fun at the holidays they decided to go with a square. So when you flip it over, the back actually has a zip strip, which I tore off. I can't resist a zip strip. So when you open it, it rolls like this. So you got a few panels rolling out like this, and then it's actually broadside, opens up, and has one more panel like this. So what's neat is they got all of their team members, each with personal notes with their photos, and it really kind of makes a connection, identifies the team, gives everybody an opportunity to say something nice. But I also want you to see how this was engineered. I think it's really, really smart engineering here. So you're gonna like this. This is 100-pound text. These were digitally printed. So watch this spot here. So there's a panel right here for the mailer, okay? So I tore this off, the mailing panel off of a different sample so that you could see this. But this is where the zip strip was, and this is a bottom panel here. And I want you to see how this works. So pretend zip strip. Okay, so this folds in, down. These are die score hand fold in, down. Watching this panel, still pretending it's there. Okay, roll, 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 and as I said, I tore one off, a different one. Fold, glue. So the whole thing is one piece, zip strip integrated, mailing panel here, fold, and glue right there. So I love that integrated piece, and you could certainly play with the shape. If you didn't love this extra panel here, you could take that off. I think they had a certain number of team members, but you could also have the die just have the flap here and fold it around. So just really cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Broadside rolling zip strip mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.